What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here to bring you guys another video today. In this video, we'll be talking about 5 different ways you can build wealth this summer. Now, I know there are a lot of you out there who are trying to look for more money, trying to find ways to possess more money, go into the summer, as summer enters. And with these tips, you guys can use them to help you guys grow your wealth this summer, but not only this summer, going forward forever. So we're going to get into these tips. We're going to give you guys these tricks so you guys can go out and use them. But I would like to say first, I'm not a financial advisor. These are just tips and tricks you guys can use to help you guys build wealth. I'm not guaranteeing you guys any money. Again, they're just tips and tricks you guys can use. Also, before we dive into the video, I would like to say, please drop a thumbs up on this video. It does help with YouTube algorithm. It does help me understand what kind of videos you guys like seeing. Yes, I know I've been uploading a lot of stock videos lately, but I remember there are people who come here just for wealth tips, finding more about their finances, that kind of stuff. So hopefully this video helps. Also, make sure you guys drop a comment. Let me know how you plan to build wealth this summer. Let me know how you've built wealth in the past. Add to that, make sure you guys share these videos with your friends because it could help more people, put them in front of more people's eyes, let other people understand more about building wealth. And lastly but not least, if you are new to this channel, this is the Money Management. I upload a lot of videos just like this. So if you like these kind of videos, subscribe, hit the red button below, and you will see more videos just like this. But now for today's video, 5 different tips you guys can use, 5 different ways, methods, whatever you want to call them, to help you guys build wealth this summer. So with these tips, you can literally start them tomorrow. And I really feel like these are tips that, I've used in the past. I feel like a lot of wealthy people have used them in the past. These are tips where if you use them, you stay consistent, stay persistent with them, you are definitely going to start building wealth this summer. You're going to see the effects of them in your bank account, in how you live your life financially. And hopefully you guys can use these tips to help you guys start building that wealth from today onwards. So number 1, become financially educated. This is pretty much the foundation of all this wealth building stuff. It is actually becoming financially educated. So whether that comes down to reading books about finance, whether it comes to studying on the internet, whether it comes to reading articles, even just taking your finances seriously, all of that is becoming financially educated. It might even come down to the basic stuff, knowing what an asset is, what a liability is, understanding what these kind of terms mean, knowing what's going out your wallet, what's going into your wallet, what's going into your pockets. All of those are parts of becoming financially educated. I can't stress enough how important this is. All of you out there should be financially educated in some way. Yes, this education system does not do a great job of actually helping you guys be set up with this. Some of you guys might have been out of school 20, 30 years now, and you might still not be financially educated. If you would like to build wealth this summer, one thing you can definitely do is start educating yourself financially. Again, there are plenty of different books out there. I'm telling you guys off the top of my head, The Intelligent Investor, Cash Flow Quadrant, obviously Rich Dad Poor Dad, The 4-Hour Work Week, Richest Man in Babylon. That is just 5. There are so many other ones as well. You guys can read these books to start educating yourself financially. Also, you guys can use platforms like YouTube to learn and watch videos. You can use other websites where you can actually pay to learn. You can use social media, and all of these platforms can help you learn about finances, learn about getting your finances in order. So make sure you guys start becoming financially educated from today onwards if you're not already. 2, network with wealthy people. So networking is a huge part of growing your finances and increasing your wealth. And when we talk about networking, we're talking about building your network, again, with wealthy people technically. So you want to find people who are like you. You want to go to different events where you can meet people who have achieved what you'd like to achieve, who are already wealthy, who have already invested in real estate, who invest in stock market, who have large portfolios, who have achieved what you'd like to achieve financially. Networking with wealthy people is not only going to help you learn more and put you in line when it comes to your finances, but it could also create potential business opportunities. You could meet people who are in the same niche as you. You could meet people who are doing something that you would like to do, but you could also meet people who are just like you and who you could maybe partner with. You could build together. Your finances are important and you can learn faster by building your network with wealthy people. The good thing about building your network with wealthy people is you can also find a mentor here, someone who has done what you want to do and can help you do the same. Someone who's taken the steps you would like to take, someone who's maybe failed and could maybe potentially stop you from failing in the same way and just guide you through the process to help you achieve your financial goals. There are enough people out there who have achieved what you'd like to achieve. You just need to find these people, network with these people, find them online, go to different events, meet them, contact them, get in touch with them. But you just need to make sure that you are networking with these wealthy people in some form. 3, take care of your health. So this is one that doesn't directly correlate to your money. When you listen to what I'm about to say, you understand why it's on this list. If you'd like to build wealth this summer, you have to take care of your health. As you guys have heard a billion times, health is wealth. It is true. What's the point of going out this summer, going all out for all the money, working relentlessly, trying to do everything else on this list that I named, but not take care of your health, not being physically healthy, not being mentally healthy? If you don't do that, you're just wasting your time because you're not going to be enjoying your wealth. Now, being healthy comes down to a lot of different things. It comes down to your nutrition, so what you're eating, what you're drinking. It comes down to what you're doing at night, your rest times, if you're sleeping enough hours. It comes down to your work rate. If you are putting enough work and if you're doing it in the right way. It comes down to what you do with your time. That is your health. It comes down to your physicality. Are you working out? Are you going for jogs? Are you going for runs? Are you active? All of these things, becoming physically active, being physically active, all of these things revolve around your health. That is what your health is about. Without doing these kind of things, it will stop you from reaching your next level, from leveling up. Without doing these things, your mind is not going to be open to more ideas. It is naturally proven that when you do sporting activities, when you start getting out and about, it is more beneficial for your health, but also for your mind, for creating more ideas, being more open-minded. Again, health is wealth. So understand, taking care of your health this summer can help you actually build up your wealth this summer. Be that person who's physically active, be that person who's in the gym or going out on a jog, who's enjoying nature, who's doing something with their body and making sure that all of this correlates back to their wealth in some form. I'm telling you guys, this is the one on the list that a lot of people will neglect because it doesn't directly put money in your pocket, but you're going to see the long-term effects it has as long as you take care of your health. So make sure you guys do that all summer 2021, but also forevermore. 4, add another stream of income. There are a lot of you out there who have one source of income, one stream of income, and that may be your 9 to 5, that might solely be your business. Look, the pandemic has taught us a lot of things, and if it's one thing I can highlight from this pandemic that you guys maybe didn't know before, but know now, it is you need to have multiple sources of income. One stream of income is not enough. So this summer, ensure to add another stream of income. I have a few different streams of income, but this summer, I'm still adding one more stream of income. That is, I'm making that my goal because I want to increase my wealth this summer. I want to expand on my wealth this summer. So I'm going to try and add one more source of income. All you need to do is grab a side hustle. Maybe it could be taking up an extra job, creating something new, starting something new. Create that one extra source of income. It might be selling something new. It might be trying to learn a new skill, but create that source of income because when if you only have one source of income and that one is cut off from you, you now have no source of income. If you have 3 sources of income and 2 get taken out, you now have 1 source of income. If you have 5 sources of income, maybe it's enough, but why not get a 6th one just to make sure that the cash flow is constantly there? Add another stream of income. Find a way to do this. Again, no matter what you decide to do, learning a skill, if that's copywriting, coding, if that's creating websites, graphic design, do that. If it is getting a second job, a part-time job, a job which you do in the evenings, a job where you can do any time of the day, maybe freelancing, maybe driving Uber, maybe teaching kids online. There's so many different things you guys can do for an extra source of income, but find something you can do this summer. I'm telling you guys, it's going to pay off in the long run. And once you get that second or third or fourth source of income flowing, you could then eventually use the money, the profits, the gains from that to, maybe have fun this summer. I'm telling you guys, it will be worth it. But this summer, make sure to add another stream of income. 5, spread the wealth. So this is the last one, but as always, not least. Spread the wealth. What I've noticed is if you spread the wealth, you spread the knowledge, if you help other people gain wealth, you will become wealthy yourself. Whether that's by the good vibes, the karma, what they give back to you, or whether that's just simply them being charged by you to learn more. And all of this can be found back in you spreading the wealth. If you have learned a lot, if you've understood a lot, if you've established a lot, why not share this with other people? Why not find people you can help out and teach? Why not find people you can impact in a positive way? You might have to go back to the earlier points and network with people so you can spread the wealth of them. You might end up being someone else's mentor down the line. But this summer, I'm telling you guys, spread that wealth. Share the love. We're still in a pandemic. We're still in a difficult situation in the world. A lot of people are still not taking care of their finances. Please be that person who starts spreading the wealth, spreading the knowledge, telling people about passive income, telling people about what side hustle they can do, teaching people about investing, helping people learn the ins and outs of anything monetary. If you have a budget and you know a lot of your friends don't budget, can you spread the wealth by telling them about your budget? Can you maybe share your budget with them? If you've got a template, let them know about it. Say, hey, would you like to check this out? Find a way to spread the wealth. Find a way to spread this YouTube channel and help other people by letting them see these videos so they can understand more about wealth, building wealth, finances, long-term vision, all that kind of stuff. But I'm telling you guys, if you can spread the wealth this summer, it's going to make you more wealthy. You also learn more about yourself when people ask you questions and say, hey, what does this mean? What does it mean to be that? What does it mean to do that? How could I do this? If you're able to answer those questions, you're also helping yourself. By spreading the wealth, you're helping yourself. So that's 5 different tips you guys can use this summer to become more wealthy. Again, you can use these throughout the rest of the year, to be honest, and you can use them going forward as well. Constantly add new streams of income when other income streams are flowing. Constantly build your wealth and spread wealth. Constantly be building up your network and help yourself build up your net worth. I'm telling you guys, all these kind of things are going to pay off. You cannot take care of your finances, you're going to struggle. You cannot help others, well, eventually you're not helping yourself. Take these tips into consideration. I'm telling you guys, it's going to help you, it's going to be beneficial to you, but you must do this. As always, I'm grateful for you guys for watching these videos, for tuning in on the videos. So hopefully you guys do take this into consideration, actually use these tips. Like I did mention, we are in a difficult period of time, and helping others is always going to come back to you in the right way. But especially at a period of time like this, you should definitely be helping others in what way you can. We're all on different journeys, we're all at different stages of our life, but we can all win as long as we do the right things, take the right steps to make sure that happens. So thanks a lot for watching today's video. Make sure you guys check out all those different links in the description. We have Time Gear watches, my smartwatch company. Go check that out. That is for your health. So please, after today's video, go check out Time Gear. Also, we have a stock option starter pack. The link is in the description below. It's that first link in the description. That will help you when it comes to trading stock options. Again, I'm sharing the wealth with you guys, explaining what I've done in stock options. Add to that, if you'd like to build up your wealth through cryptocurrency, we have two links there for cryptocurrency where you can get free cryptocurrency through KuCoin and Coinbase. And lastly, we have a Discord where you can learn more about money, making money. We have free channels there, we have paid channels there. Go check that out. The Discord link is in the description below. Also, don't let me forget, if you want to get a free stock to help build your wealth in your stock portfolio, I have a link for Robinhood in the description below. Check that one out as well. Thanks a lot for watching today's video. Have a great week. I go into making, you go into making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.
Game over.